Who got the power?
Welcome to the 10th tutorial on Theme D. We will be looking at mass media, who does what, and the internet. The media is a way of communicating with large numbers of people. Public opinion is views held by the general public on a particular issue. The media has become a massive industry over the past 50 years. 100 years ago, newspapers were the only way to communicate information to people about what was happening in their community or country. In the past, many people couldn't read, so the only way they knew what was happening was by being told by other people. Today, information is everywhere. You can easily buy newspapers and magazines. You can watch TV 24 hours a day, with news channels dedicated to reporting on events from around the world every hour of the day. You can also access all of these things whenever you want from your mobile phone. In the past, politicians would speak to the people they wanted to vote for them in local halls. There were no televisions, so it was the only way people could see who they could vote for and listen to what they had to say. Today, political party broadcasts are shown on TV, where leaders of the parties tell people the things they stand for and how they would run the country if their political party won the election. The number of people who watch these broadcasts today is on the decline, probably because they can get access to politicians and their views in so many other ways than just on TV, like social media and party websites. Methods of communication have changed over time. When there were only radios, families would sit around together and listen to the news on it, then on televisions, but now it's easy to get news in a variety of different ways. Despite all the changes, people still buy newspapers, books and magazines, listen to the radio and watch TV. People choose which form of media suits them best. Political parties use the internet to provide information and organize online surveys of public opinion. People might want to vote if they can join in debates and have easier access to information. All forms of media try to provide what the customer wants. There are TV channels aimed at young people and others aimed at older people. There are also channels aimed at people with particular interests, like music, cooking and history. In the exam, you might be asked to explain how the media has changed over the past 100 years or explain why the media is powerful.